talk about whether or not GLP-1 medication makes your hair fall out. First of all, let's talk about what qualifies me to talk about the subject. I am not a doctor, but I am a professional hairstylist. I have many clients on GLP-1s, and I myself am on a GLP-1. I know in the past I have talked about how I lost a bunch of hair due to medication. I obviously didn't talk about what that medication is, not because I was ever hiding anything. My channel is not about that, and I don't want to make my channel about that. But I do get questions from clients and followers all the time of whether or not a GLP-1 is going to make your hair fall out. So because I have personal experience with this, I decided to talk about it today. So about 8-9 months into being on a GLP-1, when I first started 2 years-ish ago, 2.5, I don't know. I can't remember, 2.5 years ago maybe. This is what my hair looked like after about 6 to 8-9 months on the medication. I did lose a significant amount of hair, and my hair became very brittle and was breaking off a lot. Now, my hair is very healthy and grown back now, and I am still on a GLP-1. So, did the GLP-1 make my hair fall out? Yes, but does a GLP-1 need to make your hair fall out? No. Many of my clients who are on a GLP-1, a lot of them have avoided hair loss because of my experience. Some of them have still lost hair. Sometimes it's difficult to avoid, but let's talk about why your hair falls out when you're on a GLP-1. So, it's not actually the GLP-1 that makes your hair fall out. It's the significant weight loss. Anytime that our body is losing weight rapidly, it is going to cause stress, and stress makes our hair fall out. So that in itself is one of the reasons your hair is going to fall out on GLP-1, that and lack of nutrition. When you're first on a GLP-1, you are adjusting to potential nausea, you are adjusting to loss of appetite, just an adjustment to what your appetite feels like, things like that. And that can lead to you not eating enough food or not eating a balanced diet full of all the nutrients that your body needs. And when you're not getting the right nutrients, enough protein and fiber and carbohydrates and all the things your body needs, it's going to preserve what nutrients you are consuming for more important parts of your body, and things like skin, hair, nails are going to suffer. So how did I get my hair to grow back? Well, first of all, my body adjusted to the weight loss, which reduced and eliminated pretty much the stress being caused by the rapid weight loss. I'm obviously no longer rapidly losing weight, so that stress is gone. And I also was able to get used to eating on a GLP-1 and really up my calories and eat a lot more of a balanced diet. As soon as I started eating more of a balanced diet, then my hair started to grow back, no problem. Now, I have clients that I have warned them of this beforehand. They've got on a multivitamin. They've been very conscious to eat enough protein and enough calories in their day while on their GLP-1 from the beginning, and a lot of them have avoided any hair loss at all. So if you know that this is possible, you can definitely kind of stave it off. Now that's going to depend on how severe the side effects are. If they're mild, you're much more likely to be able to stave off the side effect of losing your hair due to lack of nutrition. But if you are someone who takes a longer time to adjust the medication and you have a lot of nausea, things like that make it difficult to eat enough food, then you might still suffer some hair loss. But if you know about it, you can definitely help to reduce the likelihood that you're going to lose your hair. And you can know that even if you do lose your hair, it will absolutely grow back. Now, I did do some other things while my hair was growing back, like I started using red light therapy, I switched around my hair products, but all of those things were to support the regrowth of my hair. None of them made my hair grow back. What made my hair grow back was adjusting my nutrition and just my body being more balanced, right? The other things I did definitely made my hair grow back as quickly as it could and as strong as it could and helped to support the process that was going on. But if my nutrition had stayed poor and the stress on my body had remained significant, then my hair still wouldn't have grown back even with the different hair products and the red light therapy. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you have been on a GLP-1, have you experienced hair loss and did your hair grow back? I would love to hear your experiences in the comments. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe if you're not already a follow here, because I post 3 videos every single week for you guys with thin, fine hair, styling tips, tricks, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.